Located in a popular and rapidly growing Linderham North Estate, Wollert, close to Aurora Village, Edwards Creek School and Harvest Home Primary School is your destination at number 43 Manorwood Crescent, Wollert. This sophisticated and single-storey family home has all the modern trimmings and the state-of-the-art appliances, a real complete package. Come join me for a view. Measuring over 33 squares and set on 500 square metres of land area. With substantial upgrades throughout the home, this floor plan is second to none. Ideal for the growing family, with formal and informal living zones, great entertaining area, and a total of 5 bedrooms plus study, of which 2 are master bedrooms with full ensuite and walk-in robes. I'm Jason Sasine from Jason Real Estate, and I look forward to seeing you at our next private inspection.